This is Kyle with HomeQwik. We're at 3107 West Salter Drive today here in North Phoenix. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property coming in at just about 1,150 square feet. It's a nice quiet neighborhood. Quick close access to the 101 and I17 freeways. It looks real nice inside, so let's go take a look. Alright, we are looking just inside the front door. This will be your family room / living space. Through here to the left, eating area on the left. Kitchen on the right. Master through here. Got a large walk-in closet. And making a U-turn here. This will be your second bathroom. And we have our 2 other bedrooms here at the end of the hallway. And your standard 2-car garage. However, a little bit extra storage space there on the right. And you got your washer dryer out here as well. Well, that's about it for the interior. Let's go check out the backyard. Alright, looking out into the backyard. Large covered patio area, lots of shade in the summer. Easy, low maintenance backyard. Little gate here to the side yard that can be used for your pet. And that's about it, everybody. Again, this is Kyle with HomeQwik at 3107 West Salter. If you want to see this property or any of our other great homes we have listed, go ahead and visit our website at www.homequik.com or call us at 602-792-5012. Thanks for watching, everybody.